In order to distribute radical 2y to each term inside the parentheses, usually I indicate that with sort of my little fireworks here. And the idea that you have to follow is anything under the radical can multiply anything under the radical. But if something's in front, then that can only be multiplied by something in front. In this case, we have number 1 is sitting in front of the radical, so that's not going to affect anything. We basically ignore that. Okay, so 2y times y gives us 2y squared. And keep in mind, this is all still, I guess I'll make it black. This is all still under the radical sign. Okay? And here's our negative or minus, however you choose to think of it. The 7's, nothing is going to happen with that. And then we'll have another radical sign. And we have 2y times 2. So that gives us 4y. We can clean up a little bit here. We could get that y squared out from under the radical, and we could get the 4 out from under the radical. So the square root of y squared is y. And this 2 is still trapped underneath the radical sign. Okay. And over here we have minus 7. And 4 is a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2. You would multiply that with anything in front of the radical sign. And this y is trapped. Okay, so the last step, we can multiply negative 7 times 2. So your final result, y times the square root of 2 minus 14 times the square root of y.